Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening a .py file or the REPL so you can run code quickly. First, call print with a string or variable. This sends output to stdout. Use f for interpolating values because it keeps code readable and avoids concatenation errors. Once done, test simple expressions like print 1 plus 2 and print f value x. Make sure to run with Python 3. X compatibility matters for string formatting and print behavior. Next, refine how output looks by using print end equals \n and sep equals to control spacing and separators. You can combine short, focused prints with formatted strings for clarity. For numeric control, use round or f strings like f value. 2f to set precision. Once you need persistent output, open a file with open file. txd, w, and pass file equals f to print. This approach separates display from storage and keeps your code modular and easy to test. To finish, run your script with representative inputs and check results. Test empty strings, none, and special characters. If output looks wrong, make sure files are opened with encoding equals UTF-8 to avoid Unicode errors. For errors or diagnostics, send messages to stdir using print, file equals sys, stdir, or switch to the logging module for adjustable verbosity. If things still fail, inspect variable types with type, and use small prints to trace values. This quickly reveals mismatch.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.